Poi Hello guys, today I want to show you the best and easy way to cook a steak in a pot, in a pan like this. Very important is the temperature, but if you have a thermometer like this one, will be very easy. I will speak about it later. This is a Thermomill because it's a grounder plus a thermometer. Which temperature you need to reach at the center, at the heart of your steak? Because I like the raw meat. If the meat is good, you can eat raw because it's veal, remember? 55 Celsius degree, that in Fahrenheit is 130 Fahrenheit degree. If you want it medium cook, is 68 Celsius degree, that in Fahrenheit is 154. If you want well done, well cooked, 73 Celsius degree or 164 Fahrenheit degree. Always in the center, so you check with your thermometer. But before cooking our meat, let's put the pepper in the grinder. This is a sirloin or boneless ribeye, 400 grams, so you need to cook with a pan very super hot. So we on the fire under the pot. When the pot is super hot, we put coarse salt. When you can see a little bit of smoke, you put your steak. To turn your steak, you need to use something similar to like this, or if you can resist the heat from the steak, you can also use your hand, up to you. But it's important that you don't use the fork, because our goal to have the pan super hot is to seal our meat. If when you want to turn your meat, use a fork or something that make many holes in your meat, the water will go out. We will make only a small hole with the thermometer to check the temperature inside the heart of our steak. Please be careful. And I don't know if you can hear the sound when we need to turn our meat when it's not attached anymore to the pot. Until it's attached means that it's not sealed enough. When you can move it, you can turn it. Now that I just turned it, it's attached to the pot. You can see it's very difficult to remove it, so we need to wait maybe 30 seconds more. And after, you move ups and down, and finally you need to check the temperature. Now that the pan is super hot, I take 2 of my sweet and sour figs, cut in 2 and caramelize on the pot. Okay, everything is ready, but it's too early to cut the meat because the meat is still too hot. If you cut right away, all the juice will go around and your steak will be a piece of rubber. So I make a comparison with this grinder and other grinders. So watch this comparison and after I will test the steak for you. See you later. I start the test with a commercial grinder. This one you can buy in every supermarket. Now our Thermomill. You can notice already the differences. And last one is the pepper that I've already attached the grinder. And like you notice, the Thermomill is the winner because it's very powerful. The grinder inside is metal. And like is mentioned on their website, ground 12 times more than the normal one. So there is no competition. If you want to make a gift, they send you the grinder in this spectacular box, very fashion. So it's perfect for a gift. If you check the link under the video, you can subscribe to their news something. When the Thermomill will be available, you can buy it with 30% of discount. Okay, now let's taste our steak. Very easy to manage and also very thick. So when you buy it one time, can last forever. Spectacular. And with my homemade rosé, even better or more spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch and share this video with your friends. If you have some advice about the meat, let us know down in the comment. Maybe I can do other recipe. I can use also my fireplace. Here in the studio I have an old fireplace. And plus, this one is in Fahrenheit, but if you are living in a country where for you it's common to use Celsius, you can order also in Celsius. And if you have tried something similar, let us know down in the comment. Bye bye! Spectacular. With the pepper.